Hey everybody, how's it going? So I got some items from Home Depot for an upcoming project, so please stick around, check out the video, and I'll see you guys there. Thank you for watching. Hey everybody, how's it going? So I picked up a bunch of items from Home Depot for a future project. I grabbed these before I grabbed what I'm going to use them for, and that's because I wanted to be prepared when I was about ready to do the project. I had the tools and stuff I needed. What sucks the most is getting all the wood or getting all the items, you know, all the steel, whatever it is, and then, you know, you're middle of the project, you realize, oh crap, I needed a tool or a bit or something, and now you're stuck having to drive to the store and stop the project. So that's what this is. I also grabbed some items from Lowe's, but that's a separate video. So these are two different purchases in the same day. I ended up buying these right here first, and then I went to Lowe's and I bought that stuff over there. And what actually happened is I went to Lowe's first, looked at what they had, went to Home Depot, grabbed these items, and then I was trying to think of, well, it looked like they had some different items at Lowe's where some of the shanks were different shanks, sizes, for similar bits, and I went back to Lowe's and I picked up those items and then realized, oh crap, one of the items I got from Lowe's had a 3/8 shank for a 5/8 bit, where this 5/8 Diablo bit has a 7/16 shank, attachment shank. So I'm like, you know what, and I ran back to Home Depot and I grabbed 3 of these guys. These are the 3/8 Hex Shank Extension. The reason I grabbed 3 of these was I can daisy chain them together and attach them to this style auger bit that I got from Lowe's, and make the bit longer. I plan on making a bench, a wood bench, out of 2x4s, and I'm going to stack the 2x4s up to make it, you know, like 2.5, almost 3 feet wide. Probably going to be around the 8 or 10 foot range long, and I'm going to use this stuff, including the stuff at the Lowe's, depending on how I do it, to allow me to cut a hole for all thread, and that's when I'm going to keep the wood together. So anyways, I grabbed, what I needed was the 5/8, because I want the hole to be a little bit bigger than a 1/2 inch all thread, and this is 16 inches, I believe. These might be a little longer, I don't remember. Let's see. These are exactly 16 inches. And I have the shorter shank versions of these, and I've had good luck with them. I also have the identical variant of them, which was the Bosch Daredevils. But 5/8 would make the hole, and then I grabbed 3/4 and 1 inch to figure out which hole I like best to deepen the hole just enough that the washer and the nut that I put on can be recessed into the wood and it's not sticking out. So that's what I bought these for. I grabbed the 5/8, and these are 17.5 inch auger bits. These are for nail embedded wood. Nice thing about the Diablo bits is you can actually just unthread them and you can actually look at them. So this, from what I noticed, it's a 7/16 shank, and there's a lot of oil on it, but I'll grab an example. I'll grab a Milwaukee quick lock attachment. exact same shank. So this will slide in, quickly lock. Easy as that. So, what I noticed though at Lowe's is this exact same style auger bit right here. At Lowe's, also has a 7/16 shank, but there was a couple different options from Lowe's that you can get it with a 3/8 shank and a 1/4 shank. So for an example, just to show you this one as an example real quick, this is the Stinger Spider, 16-inch long. It's a 5/8 inch, just like this one, 5/8. But this one has a quick 1/4 inch shank. And then this style right here is the 5/8 also. This one's 18 inches where this one's 16 inches. Or this one's 17.5 inches, the Diablo, but the Spider, same size, 5/8 with a 7/16 shank. It's 18 inches long. So this one is slightly a little longer than this guy. And that's where it's a little longer, because in the plastic thread piece here, the shank actually stops about right here. So putting it close to where it is, it's actually, you may think it's not a lot, but it is. So I grabbed some different variants from Lowe's. Lowe's also is now carrying a 7/16 style quick lock made by Irwin. I picked this one up because I thought, I'll give it a try. Seems pretty nice. The lock is a little different. I noticed on these, the lock is actually 3 sharp pointed down spikes, where on these it's ball bearings. So this style has ball bearings, and the Irwin style actually has spikes. They're like little hooks. There you go. They're like little hooks. Even the 1/4 inch variant of the Irwin is like that too. This little guy right here. It also has little jaws, which I thought was neat. So I figured I'd give those a try. And this one right here is 5/8. This one's an Irwin brand. This one's a max speed 5/8. This one's 5/8 speed bore style, but it has a 3/8 shank, which is what I bought these guys for. Because it might end up being that this combination works best for me. But just wanted to show you guys, I am thinking of building a workbench out of some wood. Other thing is it will be great for building one for my wife. My wife has wanted one for a while. These do come with the Allen keys also. These are 12 inches long. Home Depot does not sell the 3/8 Hex Shank extensions in anything shorter or longer than 12 inch. Where these Milwaukee quick locks you can get in this 6 inch, 12 inch, and 24 inch. You can buy the 3/8 shank extensions in this quick lock style, but you can't buy them at Home Depot. You have to actually buy them online. They're not very easy to find. If I like these, I will definitely just get the quick lock variant of them, which are not easy to find, and they're pretty expensive online. So I just popped this one out. The little Allen key is right here. It's sitting in the back. So this one you just move the thread. It's got a little grub screw in it. But I don't want to open I'll probably open these, probably do that real quick. And these I'm just pulling on them to unseat them from the top half, like that. Pull the Allen key out. But all these, especially those, anything that's in a package, I'm not going to open them until I'm ready to do the project. Allen key. So these I already took out. So I got 3 of these. And it was 30 bucks for 3 of these. They were $10 a piece. It wasn't really that bad. It was like I think it was $11 a piece, something like that. But so the way these work is you pull the grub screw back, slide it down, and then lock the grub screw down. I'm not a fan of the grub screw style because they can, after a certain amount of impact, they can come loose and pull apart. But that's two 12 inches, so that's 24 inches attached right there. If you do this one, be 36 attached. But just figured I'd show you guys, give you guys an update of what's going on. I don't know when I'm gonna get to the project. I just figured that I would buy the bits that I would possibly need, and any variant of what I might need, just in case. So that way, if I do have to run to the store, it would be for something else, like when I go to the store to get the wood and everything, I'm going to buy the wood and the all thread and everything like that. But as tool wise, I already got all the tools that I need now, that I believe I'm going to need for setting the bench together. I already have all my table saws, my circular saws and everything like that. But I wanted to give you guys a peek at it, and kind of a peek at the low stuff. I'll do a separate video on the low stuff. Didn't want the videos to be too long. But this right here was like $100, and what's over there was $100. The low stuff was $111. This right here was $120. Then that includes the 3/8 shanks extensions. This guy right here was like 20 something dollars, 10, and I think 15 or something like that. Stuff wasn't cheap, but if you guys use these 3/8 extensions and you like them, let me know what you guys use them for, and how you like them. I do appreciate you guys hanging out with me today, checking out the video, and please like, comment, subscribe. Hit the bell notification icon for future updates. Go check out my Amazon affiliate links, my Acme Tools affiliate links, my DJI Electronics affiliate links, as well as my Ohio Power Tools affiliate links. And it does look like this right here is pretty dang perfect to 5/8. So this should slide all the way through with the 5/8, with the other cutter head. So I shouldn't have to worry about, oh crap, this bit will go through but the extension won't. It's pretty close. To be honest, I think the bit might be 1/16, a little bit bigger maybe, but I can always test and drill a hole and shove this in first, and if it doesn't work, then I can always go to the store on a day that I'm at the store for something else, and I can always pick up the next size, which would be 3/4, and I can always just drill with 3/4. It's not a big deal. But I do appreciate you guys watching. Like, comment, and subscribe. Smoosh the bell notification icon. I already said all the affiliate links. Ohio Power Tools. So Amazon, Acme Tools, DJI Electronics, Ohio Power Tools. Ulsa Tools in the description if you want 10% off your order. If you do use it, it does help me out. I do get a commission for it. It does also give me 10% off my next order from Ulsa Tools. Hope to see you guys on the next video. Hope you guys have a great rest of your day, and thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace!